friend. Earth to my come for no man. Where? Oh, I'm not be on a blood clot. You know, oh, now go run, go know that the people them know so now Batty man for true. On a plan for run, go, no better call a real estate agent, you know, and ask them if them have no place up on Mars on they can run where go, you know. Because all the fuck so much Batty man, they one place. Maybe I want go on around there. Maybe I'm love, maybe I in a St. James. What the fuck is going on? Why not doing so much fishing on the territory? What the people in there?
Run back in blood clots, son.
What the St. James people them there?
Batty man, son.
Run them out of blood clot, St. James. What them a do there? What them a link a blood clot there? Run it back. Come out of sound. Come out of my beer. And stop Batty up the blood clot people them face. Go away.
Alright, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set with Bless. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beating as you can see upon the screen. Yeah, them Skettle girl Blue Royal and our boy Gold Muma is back at it again, people. Wow, they're out here trying to be the victim again. You see what I say? As you know, she broke up with Nitro because she don't need him no more for fame and fortune. You know what I mean? And she's back to sell in front. You see my second, you know I'm going now phone and see some white man business, you see it. So you know she did the Jake from Bahamas. And they said things she'll do, boy. Cause you know the mom is in control. You see my some people putting in the comment section where you think about that because I'm not gonna lie to you. They are doing a good job in playing the victim because you know she's leaking all of his messages, basically begging back the brownie and putting on him. You see my second, you know a man love brown in her yard, especially the dark skin one them, you know. You know what I mean? She is belittling him, saying he's homeless and have no ambition. You know what I mean? I know she's trying to, you know, take away his manhood and say, him a fish. You know what I mean? Because I'm over Pops G. I defend himself. You see my say, putting in the comment section where you think about that. But just giving her a little summary of what I'm about to hear because I'm going to hear from Pops. And you're going to hear from, you know, such girl. You know what I mean? So it's extremely important to watch the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. Also, you can press pause and read all of these messages she's leaking and all of them things that you see me say. I'm not going to do that. I just want you to like and share the thing them from now, you see me? Yeah.
You think no pussy over here can't make me afraid of them? You think none of you know where Batty man can't intimidate me? Go suck out to no mama. Mr. If you show the blood clot man them, the fat, make them spend them blood clot money like it. None of you know over here, me no fear no pussy pan.
So cool that is stinking pops. Because you never that people.
Go spam them comments and tell them to leak it. Blue Royal, give them authority to leak that blood clot. Sign management and that me say no. I'm not afraid of no pussy pan this. I'm afraid of you know, would I offer away on a smelly? Me say to leak it. Blood clot. That me say. Friend, me go see who better than blood clot. Me go see who bad over here.
Man, that is stinking ugly
Me go see who bad.
Pops will leak.
Make the man them see how me look good.
Batty will have everything fish.
Me say to leak it.
You can't pass your Batty.
Oi.
I'm going to talk about it.
Uno no make no boy, no girl, trap no with no video. Tell them to leak that. Fuck. 2025 with blood clot, you know. Promote me, baby. Thank you for the free promotion.
That is stinking.
Thank you for the free promotion. Make the people them say my pussy fat and nice and clean. Yeah. Thank you for the free promotion. Because I been one them for know, you know. I been one them for know. I been one them for know what I want. Thank you for the free promotion. Me appreciate you, see. No boy, no girl. You're crazy. You're off from away again. Now make no boy nor no girl trap no with no video. I want this man Pops. No, but them things don't come me now.
Pops, I look.
Anything with the pan, I hit me the pan.
Cause I say you know say Pops and Nitro a fuck. I say you know say Pops and Nitro a fuck.
Yeah, remember that one?
Pops and Nitro a fuck. And from what you hear me know, from me hear Pops attack me know say Nitro fuck him too. Go over to man bamba clad Pops. You leak to your bong to Pops.
Lick it. Come on, man. Leak the blood clot video. Make the man them say me look good. Crazy. Now make nobody trick me with no video. Use me as a living example. Now make nobody trick me with no video, no boy, no girl we have no video, yo. Lick that shit, baby. Thank you. You think in 1964 we live in a? 2025 we live in a, babes. Thanks for the pre-promotion. I'm glad you fuck. Put my iPad there. No make nobody use no video, yo.
You think you have
No, them think me afraid. Them think me afraid and stuff. No, listen now. Them think me afraid and say, oh my God, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm so scared. Pops, don't do. And that's when you think, oh baby, no. Now she see me over your ball. Anything you depend on eat me, depend on warrior one, warrior gets. We're gonna take down your wall out no Batty man one by one, you know, if you come off of the blood clot up. Me and the wall of the straight man them and the girl them wanna suck pussy. I go take down your wall out no one by one, the wall of the Batty man them come off of the blood clot up. A straight people time for shine. You all out no come off of the up. The Batty man crew me I come to take down your wall out no. When my stiff cocky man them they will love pussy. When my stiff cocky man them they will love pussy. When my man them they will love woman. When the girl them they will love man. We are take on no down. Earth to no up. Earth to no.
Look, you know what bun me? Jabas go call me name in a song.
Alright.
Cock pussy claw. Hold on there. All them a touch screen laptop you go. Hold on. Push that thing now. How you go? Me not even know. You use them now. Wanna carry them a big educated sitting come over me hard for. Hold on. Sit here. Listen here. Remember this when job. You know what me involved when I get involved, Boki? Get Jabas in a song.
Yeah, me no know how I post them, I tell everyone.
Well, you don't know how I boost them video go leak.
Tell me no how their men's well. They know it nine well, pension. Yeah, me them will worry, I know say me not cold. The public pillar take fucking on them asshole. Batman a goat man.
Okay, you hear me? I'm alone, pop pill, so that means you me.
Come on, Tita, come on, this man, me lift up them up, then they clock and the Ingram. Bust up your mama, bust up in your gully black. Get up.
Okay, where you here?
We live for the Macton and the Ingram.
And what else?
And then it's like you pop pill, I ride.
I'm a figure what? Suck me, man.
Yeah.
Bad God, Boki, you hear me I say?
Yeah.
The number where you did call me pan with your fear number? Nobody go see me show you the video, you know.
Me not say nothing, you idiot.
Nobody I do me never did it when them a fuck. She over there say leak it, but me not go do it. A number of my business leak, but I can only call you and show you on the next phone.
Go on, see.
Matsus, take up your phone, give me. Let me the phone.
Me have a back me fist in the night, yeah.
No, Boki. Any you back your fist pan this a bumpy pussy. You will fuck anything. You can't back your fist pan this a pussy. No do it. Hold on. Boki, any you back your fist pan this. The people we cancel you.
You can't tell me what them go see.
Boki, I say Boki, you know ear bump in a feet. Hold on, me save none of my face. No, sir, they bump the car in a face. Then they bump there like when somebody sick. Right now, Nitro, I don't need that good little fret. You that good little. You need chop, you need to do a chop butter on your friend. You need to go doctor. Me right or wrong, Boki?
Well, if I were you, me must say you said so I don't mean if I saw you go, him have to go check out.
Okay. Okay, I hear me. Message me now. Me I go send you the Boki see them and then come over me yard. They had them get me involved, you know. You know me, see Nitro out there, so sit down back here. You look like you fuck off, right? Cause we are asking how the pussy so bumpy. Watch us, come and catch. Lord God, that Boki is sick. Watch out, catch. Lord Boki, watch it. Boki? Some fucker go on, I don't know. But Boki, you hear me? Sit around with him.
Brother, me go link you right. Me I call up on video call. I bet you any
Right
live.
now, right now, me I go any live, right now.
Any and me call and you can come back live. Me we discuss. Come, me any
live.
Any right now, then no big man. Me go call you, no brother.
Yeah, your face me fi give him this, yeah.
What that? What that?
Me don't know if this I could help him still.
What are any name? What name? I look on when you read out.
Hold on,
Say
we
it.
can't read. Man, put it down.
Say it. Break it down in syllables.
You might scratch out the say, oh God, you shouldn't mix it. You fucker. This year, if he said this can help him,
What them be? Them their energy sitting my yo. Them they not like antibiotic you want.
oh God almighty, chop them and say I must say antibiotic.
I know me say so.
Chop me? Fuck if I hear zinc, I'll not fuck. Then a bother come over me and come back up here.
Me not believe them or something. Me not believe it.
Okay.
Brother, hold on. Blue, I'm a charge you. I know blue pussy Afri pretty.
See me upon it like a, oh you fuck it. Then if you don't believe me, I'll show you what I go on.
Alright, any live that me call it then no?
Call me, video call me. WhatsApp. The number go 333. No,
Brother, can't leak out the thing. Don't season man.
me now give up the number.
Me know you already.
Give up the number, Panny Life, so.
Me I show it you.
Me now lick.
Video mountain, drop the video. That yeah, waste with night. The people them could be doing so much things. Stop wasting our night. Chop. Why them not drop the video? Why them not drop the video? Call them food. Them food. Why them not drop the video? Call them food. The whole man them over here defend man on a Batty man. The whole man them over here defend man on a Batty man and just listen not just know say 6,000 blood clot man people over here watching on a click on a page or watching on a defend Batty man. I thought about see a chopping on a fish man I send on a cocky video man a back fist to on a open video and watch man a compound phone for money go away. Them food. Over here different man I talk about on a chop. Me could not chop white girl. Me could not chop white girl. Nitro, no you come. Nitro. No you. Nitro, no you talk about the white man. Nitro, no you bring up the white man dog shit. Them food. But chop them a chop. Y'all make a man now send him cocky for money, bro. Yo. Me want to click on the boy them picture way over here defend the man. Me want them click on the boy them picture way over here defend the man and send it to me. Make I expose them pussy clot tonight. Any one of them will say over here defend the Batty boy and the sodomite girl them will suck pussy and girl come in at them face and go away all of a blood clot dead to go away. Remember, so when I get another man head and him send you the money, you're gonna take it by your phone. Remember you said to me, say babes, remember you say meet a nice man from Dubai. When you go listen to the something now, remember so the man say he meet a nice now you know when man nice. Cause me you know when man nice. So me ask you Nitro, oh you know when man nice. Come on, mommy man say me to a nice man from Dubai. And what's the mean dead?
Hold on, finish.
Me no know how about them, I tell them fi war. Come free. Tell me no other men's way.
Me no hungry me cause them a hungry.
No, me hungry.
Me
still hungry, see you.
Me can't hungry me cause.
No, so that my belly still hungry.
Drop it on, no can protect you them from Nitro and your friend them. Yeah, Rastafari.
When I talk about my belly still, I remember saying me hungry.
Run it on. Protect Nitro from the thing them. They must spoil up.
I see you something this, the parents them need to watch them man, remember promote the Batty
Actually,
man
people
thing.
boy them
No,
follow
true.
Nitro. People boy follow Nitro on him page.
No, me there say make me put fun and joke aside. You need to watch. Be careful of who make you pick them and watch. Stop making look at boys them and girls them. Support them people who promote them things here. You know look good for truth. You know look good. I promote the local boy them for the Batty man. When Jaden was just over here, he might tell Pops. Say Nitro and a theme type, a Pops a theme type. When Jaden was just right here, he was telling.
Guy, well, screen record, mission out a blood clot message to Jabas. Boy, what name Jabas? A rapper boy Jabas, you.
No, them abandon them. Let me see video.
Gripper boy.
Let me see video back with blow them before. Yeah, more video.
Oh, man, I don't video that mix me up. What can I video? I know video.
No, video no.
I want video. Listen up. I blew mother for video them, bro.
With him and
Yes.
Nitro,
I blew mad at video. No, we not no video people.
So on. So as much money I have. So what make me can see?
Eh?
Me I watch Nitro tamp people and me woulda get all stiff, you know. Jack, me I watch him a tamp it. And me woulda stiff up on me. See me?
Hold on. Me night, but I want sit me and say I'm done. Paper. I want time to see video, Zane, but me night. But you know, they send him blow. When me see Nitro tamp you out, already here I turn to pussy.
Oh God, chat, listen to me.
And they say man would say fast, blue you turn ready out.
True, man. Nitro, come here, man.
Pussy frazzle out.
People man yell up your Nitro.
I agree.
See people man.
You leave no man.
Tell them how you go with them blue.
Tell them man.
So who have a video Nitro?
Yo,
Don't talk about that.
you can't just scratch
Billy,
it.
Billy,
Yo, we done with this.
I told Billy,
So you
that,
up on live right now.
big man,
Bro,
for sure
a
video.
woman, bro. As a woman operate, we can't do nothing about it.
But you apologize. Me see you make apology. Let me see. Yo, let me see apology when Nitro. But Nitro make apology. Yeah, people must say. Let me see apology. Lord God, that's 7,500. Let me see apology, Nitro. Let me see apology. Nitro show apology.
You should apologize.
What you make me do? No, let me see apology.
Go on my page.
Suck your mother.
No, man, look.
And that then say,
Tapping eyes, me.
suck your mother.
Want to see a bit tip?
No.
Suck your mother.
Hold on, I this
Yo, somebody
people them must see.
Yeah, they say, yo,
Tapping eyes at me here. Tapping eyes, like this, Yo, look, like you doing on Nitro. Let me hear.
People, let me see this.
Hold on, let me see.
Come and get one bag of card from family, my friend, and everybody are short. So I'm gonna be a bigger person. Blue is a girl that I have high respect for.
Yeah.
No joke.
Big,
I'm
good,
send out a message to Blue.
good apology you do.
Go suck your mother.
No, man, don't apology this.
But I write him down to tell me about my mother.
You're sure you wanna blues with me?
Hold on. Jesus Christ, did I get that now?
Why mother know say me cocky soft?
Come and get one bag of
Why mother know say this? Why mother know say that? Girl, like you fuck.
So I'm gonna be a bigger person.
Easy no man.
It's a girl.
But me say, if you like sure mother me would or tip up man and the mother pussy wet up. When you hear me I tamp you over there. Believe.
Suck your mother. After you tell about my mother, they are called apology. Go suck your mother. You're sure you wanna blues with me? You better more respect for your mother. Go suck your mother after you fuck with me.
How are you gonna disown a gem like me, bitch?
How are you gonna disown
A gem
mother
like me, bitch?
when you don't have a mom? You don't have a mother to defend you.
I will fight for my daughter until I become a centurion.
Hold on, mommy. Nobody over here don't care when Nitro the pan pops level attack because Nitro over there just attack be a foolishness and goodly a stutter and in friend them a boost him up to talk more foolishness and make up more lies. I know Nitro. I was with that narcissist. So, and of course, him won't find one man yard quick. Will you know, say Nitro stupid bad? We literally over your. Say Nitro stupid bad? We literally over your bun your out. Some foreign number call me. Stop call me. We literally you're not well no meds. We literally over your bun your out for man and you still gonna group up with you still gonna group up with man.
That's I wanna involve me, you know. So wanna no bother make your girl me no comment that bring me down and make you look bad for me. Cause I'm not the one that start this. Alright. I know. They show me video with Nitro kill up himself, funny like a turtle. I just that alone me know. Me no know nothing else. Yeah. Megan block them, Megan block them. Cause first me I see so much people for a short time. All 9K people me up on live since night. Kuya, 300,000. 380,000 people watching live in 2 hours. Eh?
Dog, I'm gonna buy a couple. Well, give me back a light now.
You must know.
Right.
So about to me serious a video them now.
Brother, top tell people about me a video pops. Don't do this.
Then me know you say Blue Royal and lick Nitro balls and him mother sucky cocks. Then sit go so.
Me a righteous youth, is it? You know the pan him thing, is it? Most high, highly high, is it? You know the pan him thing there. But boy,
So
Jabas,
how much
Jabas,
video you see? How much video?
He's the man of Jabas.
Slow Jabas the man.
Listen to me, message to Jabas. Hey boy, Jabas. You're a bad artist still on the back. But come on, feel like a Batty man thing them dog. Like, bro, like, if you ever like thing them, bro, you're not, like, listen, people. When you say something, you imagine it. And this something that talk about being who that, come on, bro, man.
Jabas.
Come on, bro, man. A Batty man thing them there, bro. What show your real talent, bro? What show your real talent? Pops, what show your real talent, bro? You see me if you do a war song, sing about gun or...
Chat to no go on Jabas page, go check on his song when I diss me and get me involved.
Man, I talk about being Batty man. Pops have much wood and swing. Brother, that hate man, me can't
Yeah,
sing
Batty
song,
man
bro.
Jabas.
Brother, yo, listen up. What on them? Yo, tell Jabas if he say the song over porn people, he sang the over porn up. I make couldn't not see it. A porn up song, bro. Brother, be a wood and no dog.
Then you know the pan you, the pan TV.
The promise YouTube take it down.
No.
A porn up.
It's a
no, bro. You said the man upload the song, Pops. YouTube checks him and say wrong platform over we call it porno. They say wrong platform upload over porno. I be a batty thing, man.
Yeah, but you might talk about be a listener. Me see one video with Nitro. When next one there? I that me know the pan Jabas. Call him man, brother. Me want to see next video. Video me a talk about.
Scam man.
Yo, show me next video. Me not tell nobody.
Which video?
Me a top in eyes, man. Yo.
Which video you talk about?
Nobody go like
No, I said which video you talk about?
with Nitro.
Show me a video with me and my woman.
Let me see.
You show you want to see
No, me
them.
no want to see. Yo,
So watch it.
Yeah, now I actually have those videotapes of Blue Royal from like 5 years ago. I think 2020. You know what I mean? I'll go to my stash and I'll post them up for you. So now just subscribe and like and share the video 1,000 times. And I'll get that to you. Anyway, we're not going on this no longer. You see me? Bless.